From the main menu, you can navigate to the Work in Process area of the Manufacturing module by clicking the Work in Process button. And you could navigate to the Bill of Materials area of the Manufacturing module. And you can also navigate to the Work Orders area of the Manufacturing module. And then from the Work Orders area, you can also navigate to the Scheduling area by clicking the Scheduling tab or the Scheduling button on the submenu. And then you can navigate between the Work in Process, Bill of Materials, Work Orders, and Scheduling areas using the submenu. So for instance, I'm now in the Scheduling area, and I'll navigate to the Bill of Materials area. And when navigating to a different area in the system, the submenu changes. You can see that this submenu is now the Bill of Materials submenu. The list view changes down in the bottom of the screen for a Bill of Materials list, and the form view changes with tabbed interfaces just specific to that area of the system. So for instance, now I'm in the Bill of Materials, and you can see the tabbed interfaces for Bill of Materials, BOM Build, and BOMs and Work Orders. So now I'll just navigate back to the Work in Process area, and you can see now we're in the Job Details area, and you can navigate to the Run Details tab, BOMs and Work Orders, Job Costing, and you'll see at the bottom there's a Work in Process list.